In this lesson, we're going to look at the idea of substitution. So what we're going to be able to do by the end is we're going to be able to substitute values into an expression. So we're given values and we're going to put those into an expression that has pronumerals in it. So we're going to replace the pronumerals with our values. Now, if you think about the word substitution, probably the place you come across it the most is in sports. Like, for example, in basketball, you have to do substitutions and you're replacing one player with another player. It's similar in this. What we're doing is we're replacing our pronumeral with a value that they equal. Yeah. So replacing one thing that we're told they're the same. So A in this case is -1. So we're substituting it in, and then we're just evaluating, just working it out. What does it equal? One piece of advice I would give you when you're substituting is use brackets. So when you're replacing the number, put the number in brackets. That really, the main thing it helps us avoid mistakes with is negatives, and just in general, it's a nice way to go to avoid mistakes in general. So let's give it a shot. So here we are with our first one, 2a take 5b, and we're told that a is -1. So I'm just going to replace everywhere I've got a, only in one spot, -1, and then take away 5 -4. So replacing b with -4, because that's what I'm told it is equal to. From there, I just need to use BIDMAS, my order of operations, to evaluate what I'm left with. So I've got two lots of timesing. Remember, if you've got a number next to brackets with nothing else, that's implied multiplication, so timesing. So we've got to do each of the timesing. So the first one, 2 times -1 is -2. And then I'm going to do the other one as well. So 5 times -4, that gives me -20. I've got two minus signs next to each other, so that becomes a plus. And I've got -2 plus 20, that gives me 18. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So let's see if we got the next one. If we can. Let's just add another page and we'll put it in here. So the next one is x cubed take y squared, and we're told that x is -2 and y is 4. So what I will do is for my next line, I would replace x with -2 and then keep that cubed up there, take 4 squared. Now, you might not remember what cubed means with a power. It just means you multiply the thing by itself 3 times. So we're doing this. And then we're going to have to do 4 squared. So that's 4 times 4. And if you think about this, well, -2 times -2, that gives me +4. And then times by -2, that gives me -8. 4 times -2, different signs, gives you a negative. Then here, 4 times 4 gives me 16. So we've got -8 take 16. So it's just going to become more negative, or be, I think, -24 will be the answer. And that is that one. Final one, got ourselves p over 3 take q, and we're told our values there. So p, put it in, 24, and then 3 take -9. So again, with our order of operations, we've got to do the denominator first. There's implied brackets here. So we're going to do 3 take -9. So really we're adding, aren't we? So we get 12, and then 24 on 12, that's the same as 24 divided by 12, so that's just 2. And that is our answer. So there we have it with substitution. Just put in the numbers wherever you see the pronumerals. So replace the right one with the right one. Use brackets to avoid making mistakes with negatives, and you should be okay. Thanks for watching.